Did you know the way you do walkarounds with your customers in the service drive could be destroying trust before you even touch their car? When they see you from behind the glass window taking pictures of their car, first thing they think of is, they don't trust me. And if trust is gone, so is any opportunity to build any kind of relationship. So instead of protecting yourself, protect the customer. Bring them with you. Tell them why you're doing the walkaround. It's very possible that while driving, a rock kicks up from the road and takes a chip out of the side of the car. If that happens to take the chip down to metal, it'll cause premature rust. And if left too long, that rust turns into a hole. I'd rather touch it up now than let it spiral out of control and become a $1,200 repair later on. So do it for the customer and explain why you're doing it. Because if you start the visit with transparency, you'll end it with loyalty.